Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to reboot HP docking station, easy restart and troubleshooting guide. Step 1. Disconnect devices. Unplug the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable connecting the dock to your laptop and unplug any external peripherals like the monitors and keyboard. Step 2. Remove power. Then unplug the dock's AC power adapter from the wall outlet. Step 3. Drain residual power. Then press and hold the power button on the dock for 15 to 30 seconds. Step 4 is to reconnect. Then plug the power cable back into the dock and wait for 15 to 30 seconds for it to boot. And finally, reconnect the dock to your laptop. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.